Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimrez.com, and in this video I am going to show you how you can send Facebook lead event for HubSpot form submission. The process I am going to show you in this video today, this process only work if your HubSpot form embedded on a WordPress website. And if your situation is different, no worries, I will give a link on this video description. Just book a session with me. I will help you to set up conversion tracking for your. I have more than 6 years of working experience. Right now I am a top rated freelancer on there. So feel free to contact with me. Let's dive in here. This is my demo website and it's built on WordPress. Okay, and I have a page which is this one, and the HubSpot form is embedded there. Okay, and now this website is connected to Facebook pixel, but if I submit this form, just submit, and here you can see no lead event is sent to Facebook. So let's see how I am sending the lead event to Facebook. Okay, so and I will use Google Tag Manager, guys, because this is very useful tools, and always I love to use this tool for setup the any kind of tracking issue. So that's why it's amazing. So first of all, if you want to set up your tracking, you have to connect Google Tag Manager to your website. So this is a code, just you have to copy and paste in your website header if your website is not connected to Google Tag Manager yet. Okay, so after that, go to preview and let's find out our website is connected to Google Analytics or not. So hit connect. Of course, you have to input your own landing page URL. Okay, and here you can see our page say it's connected, and I just want to open my page called HubSpot. Okay, so this is my form. Just I'm going to copy it and paste it here. So my website will open on the HubSpot pages. Okay, here you can see it's still connected. Okay, so now let's click on submit, and here you can see I submitted that form, and it's a another pixel is connected to my website, but it's no problem. Let's come to the Google Tag Assistant, and here you can see the tag is fired called form success, and we just need to copy it. It's actually came here in GTM when we have submitted that form. Okay, so that's why we need to send it event. So for sending event, we have to say add the new tag. Okay, so hit the new and select the Facebook pixel. So if you didn't find the Facebook pixel yet, just download it from community template gallery. Okay, and then select it, and here you can see this is the option. You have to input the pixel name. So for my case, I am going to pick any pixels from here because I have already 2 pixel connected with my website. So I just want to copy and paste it here, this one. Okay, the 26, and just you have to copy your own pixel and paste in this box. And here I'm going to send lead event. Okay, and keep in mind, guys, if your pixel is not connected to your website yet, then you have to make the two event. First one will be the page view and trigger will be all pages. Okay, and I'm going to send the lead event, so directly I'm going to make the trigger. Okay, the custom trigger I am going to make. So I am going to select custom event and just copy and paste, guys. It's so simple. Just copy and paste on, oh sorry, just copy from here and then paste here. Okay, and then save it and give the exact same name, and its name already available here. So I am going to add Facebook. Okay, so let's save it. Facebook pixel form success. Okay, fine, perfect. Let's save it. And after that, I'm going to test this event. And I also recommend you guys, when you have configuration done, then you must test it, because without testing it will be not good for publish the latest version of Google Tag Manager. Okay, so my website is opening again. So this is my landing page. If you see it's take too much time, then just close all the windows and go to preview again, and then input the direct URL here and then connect. It will open quickly. Okay, and here you can see it's connected, and you can see no event is fired yet. So no event is fired yet, but when I click on submit and it's successfully submitted, yes, this pixel showing the lead event. So that's mean this pixel are getting the lead event right now. So I hope you can understand, and that's it, guys. That's all for today, guys. If you didn't understand any part of this video, then you can comment down below. And if you need my help, then feel free to book a session with me. Link on this video description. I will see you on the next video. Till then, have a great day.